Vanakkam, I am Bala and welcome back to Tamil Wellness Journey. Are you dealing with bloating, indigestion or stomach discomfort? You're not alone. Today I'm sharing a natural remedy trusted for centuries to support digestive health, licorice root. Licorice root, or Athimaduram, as we call it in Tamil, is an adaptogen used in Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine for thousands of years. It's known for its ability to soothe the stomach lining, reduce inflammation, and support digestive health. Licorice root contains glycyrrhizin, which reduces inflammation and creates a protective coating in the digestive tract. It's particularly beneficial for conditions like acid reflux, ulcers, and irritable bowel syndrome. Have you ever tried licorice root for digestive health? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. One of the easiest ways to use licorice root is by making a soothing tea. Just take a small piece of dried licorice root, add it to boiling water, and let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Add honey or lemon for taste. It's simple and delicious. Plus, it's caffeine-free, making it a perfect start to a relaxing evening. Licorice root can also be used as a powder in smoothies or taken as a supplement. Remember, moderation is key. Too much can raise blood pressure, so enjoy it in small amounts. So, how do you like to soothe your stomach naturally? Share your go-to remedies below and let's learn from each other. Remember, a healthy gut is key to overall wellness. Adding licorice root to your diet is a small step towards better digestive health. If you found this video helpful, please click subscribe, follow, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on new health tips and natural remedies. Nandri, Vanakkam. See you in the next video.